Uh-oh. At it again. Yes, sir. Best believe I'm out here in the woods again. Got the fire going. Got the Jeep set up. I'm chilling. In the rain. Yeah.
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
Hey, what's up, everybody? So, guess what? We are loaded up. We are heading down the road. I forgot to do an intro at the house before I left, but here we are. Another adventure, and it's raining. So, we camping in the rain today. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all when we get to the campsite. Let's see if the Jeep can make it up the hill. Might be only a two-wheel drive, so should be all right. Let's try it. A little bumpy. Woo! Hey, but we made it. Somebody lost some car parts. Alright, let's go right. Let's just hope nobody's coming up the other side. Woo! Which I think maybe we'll stay another night here. This was pretty nice. And my freaking permit's still up on the damn tree. Check this out. Gotta love the DNR. They're on top of things out here. Alright, but I think this is where we're gonna camp again. Why not? It's a nice spot. Out in the middle of nowhere. Alright, y'all. Woohoo! I made it! It's a little rainy, but I made it! Yay! Yo, what's up, everybody? So here we are. Back at the same spot as we was at last week. But got the awning up. Got a little bit of shelter underneath the rain because, yeah, it's raining out here. A little chilly. Struggling. Well, there's a fire going. There really is, I swear. But we in for another one. All right, y'all. I redid my sleeping quarters a little bit. Hopefully, they'll be a little more comfortable. Excuse me. But yeah, do a little cooking over the grill today. Got a little something different. I never had this before, but we're gonna try it. If not, I got snacks. But it's smoky. I'll see y'all in a little bit. I'll walk out here to the fire. Told y'all. Nice little blaze going. Cooking on that bad boy soon. Home away from home. Oh yeah. Nice and toasty too when they're next to the fire. Yeah, we cooking it now. out in the middle of nowhere. Ooh, what's going on? What's going on? Ain't nothing like sitting out here in nature, just chilling, quietness. Ain't nobody out here. I ain't seen. Oh, wait, no, I take that back. There was one vehicle that come through. Other than that, nobody. But second trip out. Back here up at Yankee Springs, Berry County State Game Area. If I remember, I'll put a map in the video. But yeah, it's a little chilly. It's raining. Got a nice fire going. Let me see if I can get that in the view there. I don't know if y'all can see it from over there. But yo, trust me, we got a fire going. Look like I'm leaning a little bit. We'll get a little dinner going. I even got a dessert tonight. Woo! But I like this. Don't matter if it's raining or not. I'm having fun. I'm underneath the canopy. Got the fire going. Got me a beer. Yeah. And brain fart. All right, everybody, what's going on? Check-in time. It's almost 6 o'clock. And I got my dinner pack on the fire. Brew in hand. And we chilling. It is nice out here. Ooh-wee. Dark. But loving it. Rain stopped too, ish. A little sprinkle, but it's all good. It's supposed to stop here in a minute, at least for a few hours. I'll get my grub on and kick it by the fire for a little bit before I go in and watch a movie for the night. But all right, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Show you what we got grubbing on today. I'll have to flip this here in a minute. And stay tuned. All right, y'all. Let's see how we did here. Ooh, steamy. I got me a bowl this time. Oh, forget about it. Yo. I don't know if y'all can see this. Ooh, that's hot. Carrots. Look at that. Sausage, potatoes, and carrots. Ooh wee. Look at that steam. All right, I'm gonna boil me up some. Oh snap! I forgot my ladle. All right, got my ladle now. Ooh wee! Big old bowl of this. Might as well get it all in there, right? I mean, I have to eat it all. It's just plate it up, see how much you got. It's a lot. All right, look, a little salt, a little salt. A little pepper. All right, and we got K-bar fork. Can't forget the K-bar spork. Link in the description. All right. Ooh wee. I don't know if you're gonna see me, but dang, that is good. All right, y'all. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner by the fire. Ooh. And I'll bring you back. This is what it's all about. Kicking by the fire, warming up the boots, making sure you don't melt them. Man, it's wonderful out here. I love it. What's up, everybody? So we are back in the Jeep. Gonna kick back, relax a little bit, watch a movie, and yo, ZiggsVids. It is 41 degrees in here right now. I don't have the heater on, and it's kind of comfortable. I might fire it up just to knock the chill off a little bit, but yeah, we here. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, I got dessert. Ooh wee, homemade cinnamon roll. Yo, this stuff is bomb. Compliments of Amy Bender. And I got my milk. Uh-oh, what are these? Oh yeah, Mr. Good Bars. Yeah, and check it out. It's only 55 degrees in here, yeah. Comfy. No heater. Chilling, sitting back watching Maverick. Paramount Plus, or whatever it is, the Paramount Channel app. And yeah, about to get down on this cinnamon roll and enjoy my movie. All right, I'll see y'all in the morning. Ooh, scary. Ooh, morning, y'all. It is, I don't know, about 9 o'clock, 8:30, somewhere around there. Yeah. Slept a little better. Still uncomfortable because, you know, it's a Jeep. And right now, I'm only sleeping on like 2 sleeping bags with a blanket. I got a foam mat coming, but I think in the future, with the weather getting better, we're going to a tent. I got a double stack queen air mattress with a built-in pump. I think that might be better. But yeah, we got the coffee going. Here, I'll take you over there real quick. Got the coffee going, like I was saying. Going to do a little something different today. Instead of doing the percolator, we're going to do this little tea egg thing. Oh yeah. Oh, I may even get a little breakfast going. Who knows? But I will pull y'all back in when I get coffee going. All right. See you then. So I'm sitting here waiting for water to boil. I gotta do some cleanup because that's propane from last night. But my chair got filled with water. That sucks. So now I ain't got nothing to sit in for the day. I may just kick it in the Jeep with my breakfast and my coffee. But on a plus note, look at that. Monty here. Yeah, buddy. He up and running again. So maybe we'll get him back out and we'll burn through him a battery pack and maybe not break him like we did the last guy. But come home. I want coffee. Give me coffee. What's up, everybody? So I am back in the Jeep for a little bit. I'm gonna relax. It's 46 degrees. I got the heater going. I got breakfast, some maple and brown sugar oatmeal. Ooh-wee. And I got my coffee. Look at that sticker. That's a beautiful decal, y'all. If y'all want one of these, BreOsh Designs on eBay. I'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, I'm gonna kick back, watch a little YouTube, and enjoy my morning before I pack up and head out. All right, stay tuned. Well, everybody, as you can see, camp is broke. Another wonderful night out here. Look at that. Even had Monty out here for a little bit before I take off here. But had a great night. Had a guy walk through with a couple of his dogs just a minute ago. It was pretty cool. But dinner was awesome. If I didn't mention that last night, that potatoes and carrots and sausage. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I gotta try that again. Took a little bit, you know, finding the hot spots in the fire, flipping it here and there. Took about 45 minutes to an hour, somewhere around there. But yo, I was full. But if y'all like this, hit the like button. Hit the like button. Comment, share. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, we're gonna do this again. Hopefully not in the rain, but I can definitely check this off of the books for some rain camping in the Jeep. But until then, yeah, stay chilly.